Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and it is me, Alice Amy. If you're new here, kindly hit that subscription button, and if you are a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for keeping it up here with me. Thank you for liking my videos and for watching as well. Yeah, so today this is a short one that I'm doing with you guys. So today I want to do a smoothie. It's called smoothie. Yes, yeah, so the one I want to do is for gain weight, not for weight loss. Yeah, so there are those for weight loss, and then there are those for gain weight. Yeah, so I want to increase a little bit my body type. Yes, so this smoothie will work for me. How do I take it? I take 1 glass in the morning, and that is before meal, and 1 glass in the evening. Yeah, so let's get started. So before I go any further, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and comment. Tell me if you want to gain weight like me. This is the remedy. This is what you have to take every day for 14 days, at a maximum 14 days. You know Africans, we always want instant things. You want to try out something. If it's about your skin, you buy a product, you want to try it today and you want to see the results tomorrow. Yeah, but things take a little bit of time. Yeah, so it's not like when you only do this one smoothie, you're going to gain weight in one day. No, it will take a little time. So I think we can do this for 14 days and see the changes. Yes, and if you are doing this with me, tell me in the comment section below. What do I have today? I have a milk. It's whole milk, 1 glass, and I have this. This is a yellow banana, and this is avocado. So banana we are using 1, and the avocado we are using half of it. So we are not using the whole avocado. We are using half of it. And what else do we have? We have a peanut, and I'm using Nutes. Oh my god, this English will kill me. It will kill me. If you know how to pronounce it, comment. If you know how to pronounce it better than me, comment now. Yeah, so this is a Nutes nacho spread, peanut butter smooth is what I'm going to use. Yeah, and let's get started. So I have to, this is my blender. I feel like it is far from me, so let me try to see if I can bring it a bit closer. guys, as you can see, our smoothie is ready for drinking, and let's try it out and see how it is. I have my glass here, and I want to try it out and see. Okay, let me test. Let me test it on your behalf, and see how it is. Wow. No added sugar. It is just banana, avocado. How do you pronounce it? Avocado, peanut, So that was it for this video. So that was it for this video. If it has been helpful to you, tell me or let me know in the comment section. You can also make yourself a glass of smoothie. And guys, tell me how much I spent. It's not expensive to make yourself a smoothie or to make yourself this kind of smoothie. Avocado, it was for 40 bob, but I've used half of it, so that is 20 bob. Banana was 10 bob. Peanuts. Okay, peanut. Okay, I bought mine, but let me take it like I've used for, because it was just a spoon. I've used for 5 bob. See, the whole thing is like 370. Yeah, so it's not expensive. And that is it for this video. I don't want to say anything else. That was it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video.